Hello and welcome to Flo Editing. In this video I will show you how to edit using Lightroom Mobile. Here are some before and afters using this filter. Contrast 44. Highlights -51. Shadows -26. Whites -22. Blacks +32. Go to Color tab. Temp +3. Tint +6. Vibrance +43. Saturation -10. Go to Color Mix tab. Red. Saturation -47. Luminance +28. Orange. Saturation -5. Luminance -23. Yellow. Hue -100. Saturation -61. Luminance +8. Green. Hue -100. Saturation -100. Luminance +46. Aqua. Hue -100. Saturation -100. Blue. Hue -100. Saturation -56. Luminance +52. Purple. Saturation -100. Luminance +34. Magenta. Saturation -65. Luminance +32. Click Done. Go to Effects tab. Texture +6. Dehaze +6. Vignette -23. Grain +4. Next go to the Detail tab. Sharpening +7. Noise reduction +15. And now we are all done.